Welcome back to Decor Like Dream, the channel where every space gets the transformation it deserves. Today, we're talking about one of the most overlooked parts of any outdoor living area, the ceiling above your patio. Most people focus on furniture, lighting, or plants, but the ceiling sets the entire mood of the space. Get it right, and your patio feels like a luxury retreat. Get it wrong, and even the best furniture falls flat. So let's change that starting right now. One of the most popular choices right now is the classic wood beam ceiling. There's something about natural wood that instantly adds warmth and character to any outdoor space. Whether you go with real timber or lightweight faux wood options, the effect is stunning either way. Wood beams create a rustic, cozy atmosphere that makes your patio feel intentional and well-designed. You can stain them dark for a bold look or keep them light for something more relaxed and breezy. It's a timeless style that never goes out of fashion. If you want something with a more modern edge, a slatted ceiling design might be exactly what you're looking for. This style uses evenly spaced boards or panels arranged in a clean, geometric pattern overhead. It gives just enough shade while still allowing light and air to move freely through the space. The result is a fresh, architectural look that feels current and sophisticated. In 2026, slatted ceilings are showing up in outdoor designs everywhere, and it's easy to see why. They balance form and function beautifully. String lights and ceiling-mounted fixtures are another way to completely transform the feel of your patio overhead. Lighting is often the difference between a patio that feels magical at night and one that just feels dark and forgotten. Draping soft Edison-style lights across the ceiling creates an instant warm glow that works for casual evenings or entertaining guests. You can also layer different lighting types together, ambient, accent, and task lighting, to create depth and a truly polished outdoor atmosphere after the sun goes down. For those who love a tropical or bohemian vibe, a bamboo or woven ceiling treatment is a wonderful option. These materials bring texture and organic beauty to a space in a way that feels relaxed and effortless. Bamboo panels or woven shades installed overhead give your patio a vacation resort quality that's hard to replicate with standard materials. They are also lightweight, relatively affordable, and surprisingly durable when properly treated. If you want your outdoor space to feel like an escape from everyday life, this direction is hard to beat. At the end of the day, your patio ceiling is a blank canvas just waiting to be transformed. Whether you go bold with structural beams, dreamy with draped fabric, or simple with a fresh coat of paint, the ceiling is your opportunity to define the entire personality of your outdoor space. Start with what speaks to your style, keep your budget in mind, and don't be afraid to mix materials or ideas. Your patio should feel like an extension of who you are, and with the right ceiling, it absolutely will. Thanks for watching Decor Like Dream.